Hi, I'm Kev from Sensei.com. This is the second part of the seated block system that we've dedicated to Steve. As usual, my old Uncle Chris. Hello mate.
Hi Kev. This video we're going to do the second part of the standard blocks from standing and seated position. Don't forget, please subscribe, then you get to see all this delicious goodness that we can provide.
The second part of the blocking is more medium lower blocks. So what we're looking at for the first one, it's almost like a fan block. The cane's by the side, it's coming outwards, over and down. And the opposite to that is down, over, up and to the side. Now if we look at the able-bodied person, Dan's going to come in with an attack. It's going to be a poke attack. You see how Chris is moving here, he's getting off the centre line. In the chair, we don't, we just got to rely on the fact that we can be quick enough. Another block we could do is to the side, if something's coming in from the side of us. I'll do it with my left hand, and all we're doing is coming from the outside down. Again, it's another fan block, and then inside out. And it could be someone's giving you a kick, or use the cane rather than the kick. Just poke him. And he's just getting off centre, giving a little tap. With the cane, on a bone, it's going to hurt. Now there's a thing called a brace block, where you brace it against your foot, and you angle out. These are low kicks that will be between the knee and the ankle for able-bodied. So I've just gone against my chair, against the wheel. If you do a number 2 strike onto Chris, you can see how it's coming with that. If you do a nice little low sweep to emulate a kick, nicely out of the way, and it's blocked. The last one is one I don't tend to use myself. I have very bad knees, and if the wind blows on them, it's painful. But it is that downward block. And you see this on the first kata, where it comes over, comes down, goes into a number 1 strike, into a push away. And it's a downward block. This is usually a front kick coming in. If Dan uses the cane to emulate a Kingeri kick, you can see a shin onto that cane is going to be painful. Depending on your mobility within the chair, now I've got legs to brace myself, I've got a seat belt, I can go forward, but I can guarantee that Kev will hit his knees 9 times out of 10 doing it. So if someone's going to kick me, Chris just comes in with a kick, I'm going for the poke. Get the distance, rather than come and try and meet from here. Because if by any chance he's a kickboxer and he's been kicking pillars for 50 years, like, was that guy in Jean-Claude Van Damme's film Kickboxer? I can't remember the actor's name, but he's just kicking pillars and the whole building's moving. I guarantee... Abdul Kisi. If I do this, I'm going to hold it lightly, the cane's going to come back and it's going to hit me. It's just my luck.
I am Tom Poe.
Tom Poe. So we're going to go through now, like we did last time, a little drill with Chris and Dan.
As before, this is just a drill. We're going to do it nice and slow. Get used to moving, feeling impact on the cane, continuing your flow. You can do fan block, you swing round, low fan, brace. As with all, when you get used to it, you can increase the speed and the aggression, but always use it with control.
We hope you liked the video. Please give us a comment down below and give us a thumbs up.
As always, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, then you can go for that fear, reel it in, catch it, admire it, then free it. Free the fear.